we try to use the immune system to fight cancers. There's a lot of progress made in recent years to be able to do that. It's really far from perfect, so what we try to do is to do it better. And so the target that we're studying is called protein tyrosine phosphatase non-receptor type 22. So it's a mouthful, but it's PTPN22. And what we're trying to do is take advantage of how it's involved in many different immune processes. What we found recently was that we can drug it with a small molecule inhibitor and also do this in a wide range of cancer types. So we're studying this in mouse models so far, and that it also collaborates with existing immunotherapies and make them actually better. That really is what we're trying to do, is utilize PTPN22 to be a novel therapeutic method. Initially, when we showed this in mouse models, it's really an immunogenic mouse model, so relatively lower bar. But what we're trying to test, and we were able to see, is that it also works for even more immune-resistant mouse models. Models of cancer that are known to just really ignore immunotherapy. There's no response to them in patients as well. And so when we abrogate this gene, PTPN22, or inhibit it using a small molecule inhibitor, we can actually yield anti-cancer efficacy in these models. Hopefully, what we can do is then target PTPN22 so that we can actually yield the immunotherapeutic efficacy even in these challenging cancer types that otherwise would be resistant to immunotherapy. And what I like to do is to explore questions at the bench, right? And as a medical oncologist, the overall goal, of course, is to bring this into clinic. I'm also not a medicinal chemist. I have a active collaboration with medicinal chemistry experts, but Harrington Discovery Institute is really filling in those gaps, bringing in a lot of complementary expertise, and it's really a network, right? And so naturally, being supported by that is really empowering. Funding, it's critical that we have the resources to do the experiments and carry out some key things, but really the expertise and partnering with some of these experts in this field, that actually is very unique to Harrington Discovery. I don't really actually see this type of support in any other funding mechanisms.